welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today's video is sponsored by Gorgius Hair. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. If I'm not, I really apologize. So they sent me this gorgeous wig, and in the packaging came with just goodies. You know, you don't really need them for that specific wig, but you can just use them whenever you need them in future. So this is the middle of the wig. This is what it looks like. It's giving scalp HD breathable lace. I really love this fringe wig. I feel like it's just comfy, and the inside of the wig, the elastic band, everything just fits perfectly on my head. This is just a ready to wear wig, like, and the texture is chef's kiss. It's like a yucky texture. I think it's not really silky straight, but it's giving natural hair kind of vibe. You know, when you have like that silk press, that's what it looks like. So this is the middle of the wig. This is what it looks like. I did not put any foundation on it. I did not bleach any knots. I did not do anything. This is just straight out of the box and on my head. So this is even quicker than closures. Like, this wig is so comfortable. If you love fringe wigs, you will love this wig, definitely. This is a ready to wear wig. It takes 5 minutes. Aside from the styling, which I had to style on the camera right now, aside from that, once you have it styled, it's just a pop on your head and you're good to go. But guys, look at what a hot comb does to your wig. Like, that wig just went flat ASAP. And this wig, aside from being yucky texture, is actually safe to style and to straighten and all that stuff. It doesn't burn. It doesn't burn at all, because it's actually human hair. It's just a yucky texture, so that is absolutely perfect. I wanted to maintain the yucky texture, which is why I did not straighten this wig track by track, because I still wanted the body, I still wanted the texture, I just love that yucky texture. It's just so beautiful. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say texture. But it's just so gorgeous. It's giving natural hair vibes. It's not really that silky or anything, but it's cute. It's gorgeous. So I just did my quick run through straightener on the hair, and it came out perfectly. And I went I had to trim like the fringe part as well off camera, because I didn't want to mess it up on camera. So yeah, but this wig, love the cuts, the long bob vibe. I just love everything about it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.